So many people want to get rid of their tummy stomach. Getting a flat stomach is not an easy task for everyone. It takes dedication, perseverance, and a couple lifestyle changes to get a flat stomach in a month. But it's possible if you were committed. The best way to get a flat stomach is to perform some effective exercises regularly. In today's video, we will talk about 5 simple exercises that you should perform to get a flat stomach in 30 days at home. Before we start the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. So let's get started. Crunches. Crunches are considered as the fastest way to burn belly fat and are very easy to do at home without any equipment. They tend to build endurance and power in your belly muscles. Lie down flat on the floor. Place your hand behind your head. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the ground. Lift your upper body off the floor. Exhale as you go up and inhale as you come down. Repeat for a few minutes and relax. Sit-ups. Strengthening the abdominal muscles is the advantage of this exercise. Start by lying flat on a floor mat, face up. You can put your arms behind your head or cross them in front of your torso. Now keep your lower body still and move your upper body towards your knees. Take a deep breath and exhale as you go up. Inhale as you bring your body back to the mat. Make sure your arms are not pushing against your head and neck too much. You are supposed to use the abdominal muscles to move up and down, so make sure your neck is not strained during this exercise. Do this 10 to 15 times. Mountain climber. Have you ever tried mountain climbers? If not, then we give you all the right reasons to make it your flat belly workout. Mountain climbers will help you to get a full body workout. It will improve your mobility and get a calorie burn. Mountain climbers engage your upper arms muscles. Try to perform this exercise regularly to get a flat stomach quickly. Firstly, go in a high plank position. Keep your back straight, butt out and core tight. Ensure that your shoulders are right above your wrists. Now move your right leg towards your chest and then return to the starting position. Like this, you need to do a climbing motion. Keep alternating between legs quickly and repeat. Forearm Plank. A forearm plank is a core body exercise that strengthens all of the muscles of the core, gives you a stronger low back, and teaches your body stabilization. Begin in a kneeling position. Bend your elbows to 90 degrees and pitch forward to place your hands and forearms on the floor. Extend your legs behind you with toes tucked under to press into the plank. Distribute the weight in your hands evenly by spreading your fingers apart, creating a stable base. Make sure to keep your body in a straight line, keeping your abdominal muscles tight. Scissor Legs. This exercise helps you get a flat stomach very quickly, and you may get stuck with the same abs exercises like crunches. This exercise can add some variety to your workout routine. Lie down on your back with your arms fully extended and palms facing down, with a slight bend in your knees. Lift your legs so that they are 6 inches off the ground. This will be your starting position. Now lift your left leg until your left heel is making a 45-degree angle with your right leg. Switch quickly, moving your right leg up and lower your left leg. Repeat for the desired number of reps. Here we end up for today. Will you start doing these simple exercises from tomorrow? Which exercise out of these do you find the most challenging? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.